Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find this new hijab on Dress to Impress. It is placed where the old one is, and it's just here. So just press on it and add in some patterns and colors. If you do like the old one better, you can still use that. So if you selected this, you can toggle it to the old one still. I really like this new one, super cute. But yeah, that is where you can find the new hijab in the World of Cultural Day. I still don't remember exactly what this update is because it's really long, okay? Like, I just think it's like a unity and diversity day like thing, you know? I used to have that in school. What about you? I didn't have it in my high school, but I did have it in my old school in middle school because we did celebrate a lot of people from different cultures, and we got to eat like a bunch of different foods from there too. It was so fun. It was like the best day. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!